Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This set from CAT 2018 Slot 2 DILR says that there are visitors to an amusement park and tickets are of three types: platinum, gold, or economy. And visitors are old, middle aged, or young. Some facts are given about these visitors that 140 tickets were sold. Number of middle-aged visitors was twice that of old visitors. Number of young visitors was twice that of middle-aged visitors. And young visitors bought 38 of the 55 economy tickets and half the number of platinum tickets. So we will make a table making the visitors and the ticket types. So the three ticket types are platinum, gold, and economy, and visitors are old, middle aged, and young. So let's make the table and the totals as well. So we are given that there are a total of 140 visitors, and out of these we are given the relation between middle aged, old, and young. So middle aged is twice that of old visitors. So if there are x old visitors, there will be 2x middle aged visitors, and young visitors are twice that of middle aged visitors. So 7x is the total, which is 140. So we can easily say that old visitors are 20, middle aged are 40, and young are 80. Young visitors bought 38 of the 55 economy tickets that were sold. So 55 economy tickets are sold and young visitors buy 38 out of them. They bought half the number of platinum tickets. Suppose the total number of platinum tickets is 2A, young visitors buy A number of platinum tickets. Then we are given the number of gold tickets bought by old visitors equal to number of economic tickets bought by old visitors. So gold and economy by old visitors is the same. So let us substitute with another variable. Let us say this is B. So this is the only information given to us, and based on it there are some conditions and we need to answer these questions. So the first question says, if the number of old visitors buying platinum tickets was equal to the number of middle-aged visitors buying platinum tickets, which among the following could be the total number of platinum tickets sold? So it says old platinum is equal to middle-aged platinum. Now let us understand this thing. This number is equal to this number. So let us say this number we are taking as C. Now this is C plus C. So Y will become 2C because total is 2A. So the sum of these two should be equal to the 2A. So that means this will be 2C and this will be 4C. Okay, so it necessarily has to be a multiple of 4. We can eliminate these two options. Now, if you look at old tickets, 2B plus C is equal to 20. 2B will be an even number. If 2B is an even number, C will also be an even number. So let us say C is equal to 2 times of N. Now, the total number of platinum tickets is 4C. So 4C is equal to 8N. That means the total number of platinum tickets should be a multiple of 8. And among these options, the only multiple of 8 given is 32. Next question. If the number of old visitors buying gold tickets was strictly greater than the number of young visitors buying gold tickets, then the number of middle-aged visitors buying gold tickets was. Now we are given that old visitors buying gold tickets. So old visitors buying gold tickets strictly greater than. Strictly greater than means it cannot be equal to number of young visitors buying gold tickets. So B is greater than this number, and we need to find the number of middle-aged visitors buying gold tickets. So we have to find this number. So let us say this is C and D. So we are given that B is greater than D, one condition. And now we will add these young and total based on the given numbers, because we cannot find middle aged, we can find young and total. So this total is B plus C plus D. Now we will get two equations when we add young people. So we get A plus D plus 38 equals to 80. That gives us A plus D is equal to 42. Now when we take the total number of visitors, we get the total as 2A plus B plus C plus D plus 55 is equal to 140. Or we can say 2A plus B plus C plus D equals to 85. Now from this equation A plus D is 42. So we can substitute A plus D. We will get A plus B plus C equals to 43 because we have substituted A plus D as 42. Now pay attention to this thing that B is greater than D. So A plus B shall be greater than A plus D. This equation is A plus B plus C. So A plus B should be greater than A plus D. So this number should be greater than 42. So if it is greater than 42, the least possible number we will get is 43. It can be more also, but we have to constrain C also. So if you take it more than 43, C is not possible. So this will be 43 and hence C will be equal to 0. If the number of old visitors buying platinum tickets was equal to the number of middle-aged visitors buying economy tickets, then the number of old visitors buying gold tickets was old visitors platinum tickets. Old visitor platinum tickets, let us put it as C, is equal to the number of middle-aged visitors buying economy tickets. Middle-aged buying economy. Okay, now this is an easy question out of the chunk. So we can see that B plus C will be equal to 17 and also 2B plus C equals to 20. So this gives B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 14. Now the question is asking number of old visitors buying gold tickets. Old is gold is 3. Which of the following statements must be false? So since we do not have the values, we will try to look at each of the statements, evaluate them and answer whether it is false or not. So first is the number of gold and platinum tickets bought by young visitors was equal. Okay, gold and platinum by young visitors. So gold and platinum will be equal. Total is 42. So can we have 21 here? This will be 42. We may possibly put some values and we will get this as 42 plus 55 and this will be 43. We can possibly put some values, right? Not sure, but we may be true, right? We will put it on hold because it may be possible. We do not have to check each and every combination. We just need to see that is it possible. Yes, looks possible. We can have some numbers over here, okay, and some numbers over here and fill in the values. Okay, you want, you can test with numbers but not needed, but we can say that it may be possible. Let us evaluate other statements. Next says the numbers of middle-aged and young visitors buying gold tickets was equal. Middle-aged, young, gold tickets. Is it possible? Middle-aged and young visitors buying gold tickets. We can also put 0 also. Like for simple calculations, we can put 0 also because it is saying equal. It can be 0, it can be 1, anything. So possible, we may put some numbers here and get the values. We will get A is equal to 2. This will be 4. And we will put the rest as, no, we cannot put 0 definitely because that will maximize the case. Let's see some values for A and B. No, so if you put 0, yes, 0 is possible because it will be 42, not 242. It will be 84. This will be 1, 1, 1, 18, and rest we can put here, right? So 60 and 24 and 60. So there is a possible case. So it is also a possibility. Then next option says the numbers of old and middle-aged visitors buying platinum tickets was equal. Old and middle-aged platinum tickets, right? So this was the very first question where we took these numbers are equal, where we said that it is C, it's a multiple of 8. Okay, so we took 32 as the total and we did this numbering, isn't it? So this must be possible. 54 and 26. This gives us 87, 53. Okay, so 32, 21 and 11, quite much possible, right? We can make a case with this as well. So obviously the last statement has to be false, but let us evaluate it. And how can we prove it false? The number of old and middle aged visitors buying economy tickets was equal. Old and middle aged buying economy tickets. So if we put this as B, we will get 2B is equal to 17 or B is equal to 8.5, which is not possible because these are number of people and number of people has to be an integer value. So that is why this statement is false. So this was the solution to the set and the answers to the questions.